The new AirPods Pro 3. We'll just take a quick look around the box here. The same packaging as usual. Yeah, so this one definitely feels like it's bigger than the previous ones. It looks like they've gotten rid of the button. And of course you get the additional earpieces, and I think there's like 5 pairs of them. Wireless headphones with charging case. Includes 5 ear tip sizes, compatible with USB-C, Apple Watch, and MagSafe and QI certified chargers. USB-C cable sold separately. That's all that really comes in the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these set up and play around with them. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button and share the video if you want. I'll see you guys in the next one.